Hello YouTubians and fellow model builders! Well, I started this Revell kit that I bought a long time ago just in case I might want to build something different in the future. Well, the future became present time. The Eggplane group build made me really overthink my model building subject. I love cars, no questions, but at the moment I really enjoy building more sci-fi stuff. That's why I chopped the kit in pieces and created something completely new. In this case, it should be a walking tank. Everything that walks needs, of course, legs, so I built me some. After I made them out of styrene and some washers from metal, I resin casted them. The foot itself was a mixture of half of an airplane wheel, some styrene parts that are scratch builded, and of course some green stuff. Of course I made a mold after that and poured in some styrene, and then I had my feet in. The same way I created this hip joint. It was just a bolt, and I had this half circle. It was a wooden, like a pearl, like those things that you need for jewelry, and two styrene pipes. My tank should have two levels. On the bottom is the engine room and on the top the cockpit. Here's the lower level with all the high-tech stuff that a walking tank needs for the average day. I created a new entrance door for the upper level with the cockpit, and I figured out that the engine, the hydraulic pumps and the cockpit needed some sort of cooling system. So I built one on the top of the tank. This is the scratch-built 8-barrel Gatling gun with an included grenade launcher. Now it was time to build the control room for this monster. I wanted to have the tank look like these old World War II tanks with a white star on the side. Therefore I printed one out and airbrushed it on. I really have no clue which branch of the military would have that star, but I think it fits overall the look. After the base coat was painted on, I assembled the two levels and gave him his legs. I made a small diorama based on a 90 cents picture frame from the $1 store, and here's the finished build. Alright, that was so much fun, I cannot even tell you. I hope you guys have as much fun with all the projects that's on your bench, and I'll see you in the net. Bye y'all!